Hello guys, welcome back to my channel video. Today we are going to go to Cloud Forest. That time we went to Flower Dome. And then after that...
This to the beach thought it was Cloud Forest.
Yeah. June is here. We are at the Cloud Forest. We went to the Flower Dome over there somewhere. We're gonna go to the Cloud Forest over here. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. Oh my god, finally! Go up that thing.
I think we can.
Let's go. This is like a snake.
It's a hard-headed snake.
Guys, honestly, the motive of this vlog is we Singaporeans try to become tourists. So I'm gonna also be learning some new stuff here. Like that.
What's that? Indonesia. That's not.
Some parts of Indonesia. What do you guys? Is it Indonesia?
No, it's not.
No?
I don't think so.
Yeah, the thing that we're gonna take is this
Bridge.
We're queuing up for the
Lost World.
Lost
I don't know what it is.
the bridge, apparently. And I didn't tell you guys, I have a fear of heights.
You do? I didn't know that.
That's why I didn't go on the roller coaster.
Alright, you did tell me.
Every time when I'm like here, look at this stuff, there's so many, you see this one? Bigger than this. Like one day, we're up. Good damn, what's up? Oh, this is up, but I'm not going on something, that's not my problem, it's your problem, it's just go on like a weekend something.
That's where we were. So far, I am not doing anything. You know, for the past few days, I've been hungry. Like after I eat, I'm still hungry, you know.
Whoa!
Look at these lights. Whoa. So cool. Whoa. I don't think it works something.
No, it doesn't.
It works? Nope. Whoa. Wow, that's so cool. My first time. Is this like a new thing or something? So cool. We're just up there just now. This is beautiful. It's the Marina Bay Sands and it's the super tree. Okay guys, we're at somewhere here learning about the animals, I think.
It's called the...
We're going to the theater. Cloud Forest Theater. guys, we're trying to
Normally just in
no, we're trying to mimic those people that is like talking in another accent. So like in Singaporean we say water, but like
Water?
Asian we say water. So like we are going to
No, the
mimic
same,
that.
the same.
No, until we step foot outside of this cloud forest, we're gonna stop. So alright, so 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna eat after this.
Yo.
I need some water.
我睇你仲
Thursday. It's really great. I'm actually good. It's really good. I think that Evelyn should be here because I'm here right now. So like, we're quite hungry. Salt.
What do you say in accent?
What?
One of those. Some water.
Anyways, guys, it's the first week of school. I survived. And so, this is my reward. Cloud forest, cycling, fireworks. Yeah, we're gonna do whatever we did on the last video. But just
All prepared.
more prepared because last week, initially,
It was improvised.
it wasn't really
That wasn't what we planned.
but we
Did it anyway.
anyway, so we're gonna catch you guys after this. Hey guys, welcome. So we just left the cloud forest. Now we're gonna go have some lunch. We're gonna eat lunch. We're gonna walk around Marina Bay Sands. And then
Why you work on positive on the way?
probably we're gonna go cycle 2.0 for the second time. For the second time, I'm so sorry. I'm very hungry. We are done with lunch. Now we are walking all the way from
Gardens by the Bay.
Garden Paddle Bay to the MBS Marina Bay Sands. We are like at like the rooftop of the mall right now. It's really hot. We're gonna catch the fireworks later, like the last vlog, because you know what? Because why not? So
Exactly. Why not?
it's really hot. I'm sweating nuts.
At least it's windy, you know.
Well, it's windy, but the sun is pointing at me. I see the fireworks over there.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got heavy Moyes Beach.
Can you please be careful?
Can you hold while I do this? Move, bro, I'm getting pissed off. Okay guys, I'm gonna enjoy cycling. I'm gonna be back later. Let's go. This is our second time. Try not to drop my phone. We just finished cycling. It was really tiring. Now we're gonna catch the fireworks once again. And yeah, oh, there's K-pop dancers there. So we are waiting for the fireworks now. It's gonna be over there. We're blocking by this stupid pool. But it's okay. Whoa! fireworks was amazing. Now we're gonna go back down and we're gonna head back home. I'm very tired right now. My social battery is 0%. Yes, catch you guys later. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. We're going home. We're gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.